Hello, Creative Gems. Welcome to Creativity. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful makeup organizer from a paper towel holder. I will list out all the materials, and if you would like, you can also visit my blog site at CreaTvDIY for all the details, including tips and tricks, as well as links to my Amazon store where you can purchase some of my favorite craft tools and materials if you are unable to find them at your local dollar store. If you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would also love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. To begin, I will show you the materials. All the materials were found at Dollar Tree unless otherwise stated. We will need a metal paper towel holder, some silver plastic napkin holders, and some silver ribbon. The one I'll be using is rhinestone ribbon available from Amazon. We will also need a string of silver beaded necklace and some contact paper. The contact paper I have chosen is silver glitter that I found at Dollarama. We will also need a ribbon cardboard spool or a cardboard toilet paper roll. We will also need some leftover foam board. It doesn't have to be new as we will be covering it anyhow. And as per my usual DIY projects, we will need some hot glue. My hot glue was purchased from Amazon. To start, we will measure out some foam board which will be attached to the bottom of the napkin holder to be used as our base. For mine, I will be measuring 2 pieces and gluing them together to ensure the base is strong and sturdy. Once the 2 pieces of foam board are glued together, I glue some silver ribbon around the outer rim of the base. Then I measure out some contact paper the same size as the circular foam board and apply it to one side of the foam board. And once that is done, use some hot glue to adhere the base of the paper towel holder to the side of the foam board with the contact paper applied. Next, we repeat the same process to measure out another 2 smaller round pieces of foam board and make them the same size as the opening of the ribbon spool or cardboard toilet paper roll. We will use the same silver ribbon to cover the rim of the foam board as well. Next, we create a slit in the center of the small round foam board so the foam board can slide through the neck of the napkin holder. The foam board will become the base to the cardboard ribbon spool or toilet paper roll. Once the small round foam board is inserted and you are happy with the placement and positioning, we will need to cover the exposed hole with a small piece of foam board. Next, we will cover the cardboard ribbon spool with contact paper. To further embellish it, I also apply some silver ribbon and a string of silver beaded necklace to both the top and bottom edges of the spool. Once you are satisfied with the placement of the cardboard spool on the neck of the napkin holder, along with its accompanying base, glue them together so they can stay in place. The final step is to glue down the napkin ring holders to the base of the napkin holder. For my makeup organizer, I decided to glue down only 4 napkin holders, but the base can actually fit up to 8 if you prefer. And there you have it. Our makeup organizer is now complete. For only $3, we can now display all of our favorite makeup in this organizer. And the bonus feature is that this makeup organizer is portable, so it can be conveniently moved from room to room with all the makeup supplies in place. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, remember to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY Glam project. I hope to see you all soon.